I'm going to show you a very simple pickle, a red onion pickle. That's really common side condiment for an Indian meal. Really simple ingredients. All you need is lime juice. You can use lemon juice if you don't have lime, coriander, and red onion. Today's special ingredients I use is the black salt. If you don't have black salt, just use regular salt. But this salt is usually around the Himalayan regions. When I was growing up, we go to the hot spring in Taiwan, and there's always this hot spring smell of the sulfur. And to me, it smells like that. It gives a unique taste to this dish. Again, if you don't have it, just use regular salt. Mandolin is a tool that allows you to slice things in very fine manner. Some safety tips, right? There's usually a safety feature, so when you store it, I store it in the safety function, so then even if I touch it, I won't cut my hand. So they have the safety guard that you just press your vegetable or fruits on it, and then you can go like this. I put the onion here, then I attach the guard, then I hold it. Nice and thin, no? Okay, and then I'm going to put some lime juice. This one you can taste as you go. You don't have to be very precise. Style mixed pickle. Raw onion, I always use red onion. It has a sweet taste. Some onion.